I brought stuff to do my hair if you want me to.
Yeah, that's great. No, good. Let me see.
My name is Joseph Stone. I'm a service technician with Vogel Heating and Cooling. So I came from New Systems. I was there for 6 of my 7 years, and here I am now, Vogel, for the last one. My spirit animal would have to be the dairy cow. That's all I want to do is nothing plus eat. That's all they do. It's just nothing plus eating. What job would I be terrible at? Professional athlete. That's probably my answer right there. Wiring diagrams, schematics, I love going through it. It takes a long time and it's a headache. It's a big headache, but I love it. It's almost like Sudoku to me. Am I saying that right? The numbers game, Sudoku, you know what I'm talking about? Same kind of concept. I really, really like that. And I really like Sudoku. My favorite smells, oh man. Okay, so there's like 20 different types. You gotta find the right type, like the original late 90s soft soap, the Fishes, the ocean theme, the Fishes ocean theme soft soap, hand soap. God, I'd wash my hands over and over and over at my grandma's house. I'd just keep washing them just so I could smell them, you know? Oh, I swear, and at the end, I'd dry my hands off and put a little bit on my finger so I could have some of that soap left and it smell so good. I was addicted to it as a kid, I still am. Every year, more and more advanced technology is coming out and getting put on the marketplace. And I'd say that's pretty much it, is learning the new stuff every year, is just keeping up to date. Because the old stuff is still out there, and the new stuff is getting flooded out here as well. They're putting computers in units nowadays. It's not a bad thing, it's just a learning curve. I don't know everything. I'm learning every day. I'm telling you, I still learn from these other guys here at Vogel quite often, as they learn from me.